Greetings everyone, it's Reed here with another quick video because I haven't finished editing the other one completely yet. So I'm still working on it and got to get this sorted out. So we're going to go over something quick. If you're kind of wondering what this is behind me in a couple of the videos, well, that's a 12-volt solar system with all sorts of nifty stuff. And it does all sorts of amazing things. And we're going to be going all over this. And I've actually had this assembled for a little while. But that's what a lot of the videos I'm working on, editing right now and stuff like that, are a whole bunch of solar, electrical, and engineering things. Yes, we're going to geek out for a while. Just going to have to bear with me. You're going to have to learn something. Terrifying. I know. Absolutely terrifying. Now, what are we going to do for real quick? Well, I thought I'd do two things. One, so here, some of the sweet corn. This is Painted Hill, starting to come in. I don't know. Yeah, I guess I can show. Sorry, cameras and I, we're not entirely things. But this is kind of how it works. It's like that. And this is probably some of the best ears I'm going to get out of this. Remember when I told you guys one time we accidentally forgot to water it? Well, that put a bunch of stress on the corn. I've been feeling the cobs, and so I don't think they're going to develop super well. We're going to get some real nice ones out of some for sure. But a bunch of the others, they're going to probably look a little funky and all that. And we're going to just cook them up, cut that off, and we're going to make canned corn out of it. Canned sweet corn. This stuff, obviously, ears like this, hey, we're going to roast up and eat off the cob. Tasty stuff. Now, of course, the Painted Mountain in the other garden, I'll show you guys everything about it as it comes in. But we got to wait for that. For now, we have sweet corn for a little while. I can put it on the grill. Very good. Always like that. And actually, they're not going to all look like this. We're going to have some that are like mostly blue, some that are like red. I mean, it's interesting the colors you get and stuff. But it grows. I actually have corn. And amazingly this year, we don't have mold all down it. We don't have earworms and everything. I've been on the garden quite a bit to prevent all those horrible things. And I think I actually had some success. Much better looking corn this year. Don't ask about last year. Lee would unwrap him and go, "Pee!" as you'd find a worm. It was a learning experience, but we're getting better. So I'm happy with this. This you could actually sell in a store, but I'm not going to. I'm going to eat it. Now let me show you the other oddball thing. Okay, so here's something weird. Now you know those lantern style flashlights, kind of look like this? Well, here is an adapter. It converts a lantern battery into D cells. Ooh. Now I don't think they make this thing anymore. And here, I'll get up close so you can kind of see it. Okay. Now, what you're going to do on this thing, pick it up on eBay. If you want one, go get one on eBay. Now, the funny thing about that, when I went to go, I was like, hey, I'd like some of these because I actually have lantern flashlights. Some of them, not a bunch. And yes, they're not like 1 million lumens and can light up things from space. No, they're just flashlights. And lantern batteries are a pain, and you can't find rechargeable versions of them and so on. And I wanted an adapter to put something else in. Well, I got one. This thing. And it works great. Does a great, great job. And when I bought it on eBay, I was like, oh, hey, I want like 3. And I didn't realize it was like 3 sets of 12, so I've got like 36 of the darn things. So for Christmas presents, I gave quite a few of these away to friends who also were preppers that could use these darn things. But I still have a whole pile of them left. Now let me show you what it looks like in a flashlight. Whoops. Get this out. So here you go. Pop. And D cells around. Yeah, I think it's really great to be able to, put D cells, rechargeables, since I use rechargeable batteries a lot, into these sort of flashlights. And then have a way to keep using them and stuff. It's not the brightest thing in the world. It's, like I mentioned, it's not something that'll light from space. But it does work really well. Especially for the application I want. Just, a flashlight to do something with. Now, these things are big, they're clunky and all that, but sometimes having a big clunky flashlight's handy. Like you're under the house trying to figure something out, you can set it up on something and poof, got something to see. And you know, if I can make use of something, why spend more money when you don't have to, right? That's my philosophy, at least. Well, I try to stick to it. There are times when stuff disappears. I look everywhere, tear the house apart, can't find it, go buy another one, and then I find it 10 minutes later. You guys ever have that problem? Frustrating as heck, I tell you. I need to make a whole video on organization, because that is something I have lacked in my life, and it has killed me all the time. And I've been tackling it and getting a lot better. Oh boy. Well, anyways, that's the quick video. If you want to make use of lantern flashlights and think of all the neighbors and friends and all that other stuff that might have a pile of these, having some of these adapters could be real handy, because you can have another way to bring illumination to areas. And then we have tasty produce. Whoops. Yeah, tasty produce. Yes, yes. So there's our thing. Flashlights and produce. Take care, everyone. This is Reed with a real quick video for the day, and the other stuff is coming very soon. Have a great night. Reed, out.